Hi everyone, welcome to another week here at Packy Hills. This is our assembly for week 6 and 7 of term 2. Great to have all the grade preps to twos back here at school this week. It was fantastic to see all your happy smiling faces again after being away for what seemed like ages. So it was really good to have you back here at school again. We're going to start our assembly with the national anthem. So if you can please stand quietly and listen to the national anthem and sing it when it comes on.
Yes, it's shout out time. Welcome to week 6 of our remote learning shout outs. My first shout out goes to the beautiful 3-4R class. I'm missing you guys. You are doing a great job of all your learning. You're really smashing it, a lot of you, which is fantastic. Savannah, you are our student of the week this week for all the effort you put into every task that you take on board. So that shout out is for you. Now a huge, and yes it's the right way, huge shout out this week goes to Miss Herman, because she takes the time to put all our photos together for a Facebook collage so that everyone in our community can see what is happening. And the second huge shout out this week goes to Mr. Anderton, who goes and puts all our videos together, our shout outs and your awards, so that for our assembly. So thank you to both to Miss Herman and Mr. Anderton for all they do with getting our news to the community. And that is a huge shout out this week. Have a great week, everyone.
Hi everyone. I wanted to say a big shout out to 3-4M and all of their families for all of the hard work that they've been doing this week. We have 2 students of the week this week, Tithy and Sage. So these 2 lovely students have been working really, really hard. They've been asking a lot more questions and asking for help with their work. and clarifying their understanding of certain things, and that's what being a fantastic learner is. So well done to Tithy and Sage. You've worked really, really hard. Keep it up, and I'm looking forward to another fantastic week working with you all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, we're almost at the end of our crazy remote learning at home. Looking forward to welcome everyone back, especially my beautiful 5-6Js. My special shout out this week goes to Maddie Murphy, absolute trooper. She's done so well during the remote learning time, and I appreciate all your efforts, Maddie. Looking forward to you coming back to school and the rest of 5-6J. See you then. Bye.
Now, last Wednesday, we had a special day. It was a National Simultaneous Story Time, and I read the book called Whitney and Brittany, Chicken Divas. I loved reading it, and we recorded it at the time, but the video quality wasn't great. So what I've decided to do is record my reading of the story again. Now, this National Simultaneous Story Time happens for every school every year at the same time. So all schools across Australia were reading this book. And I reckon it's a great book. Now, I had some props as well, and Miss Malika has very kindly given me the props back. Now, seeing as it's about Chicken Divas, I probably should put on, let's have a look. Oh, there's a feather boa. Oh, there's feathers end up everywhere. Oh, there's another blue one here. And there's a hat that goes with it, a sequence hat. So, here goes. Take 2 of Whitney and Brittany Chicken Divas. All right, this was the National Storytime book. Oh, I should mention this is the author is Lucinda Gifford. Whitney and Brittany are 2 gorgeous chooks, fluffy and silky, with stunning good looks. They live with their elegant Dora Von Doos, and from morning till night time, the chickens just snooze. Wake up, darling chickies, says Dora, perplexed. I want your sweet company, not just your eggs. But Whitney and Brittany doze on, counting sheep. So what are they doing when Dora's asleep? At 9 every night, the chooks leap to their feet. They hop over fences and flap down the street. Down to Club Sparkles. They have to be fast. Come in, says Miss Razzle. You're on at past. And on go the sequins, tiaras, and bling, which is all this stuff. The curtain goes up, and the chooks start to sing. And what a performance, the crowd's in a fever. It's Whitney and Brittany, the great Chicken Divas. Back in their yard with sore wings and tired legs, the kind Chicken Divas lay Dora 2 eggs. Morning, says Dora as she pops by the coop. That's what they call the chicken house, chicken coop. But Whitney and Brittany are utterly pooped. Dozing again, Dora says with a sigh. Then a gleaming pink sequin catches her eye. She's probably wondering, why is there a sequin here? What's this pink boa? And that's what we call these, boas, but this one's pink. And this sparkly ring. And can that be glitter on Whitney's left wing? Dora is thinking, tonight I will snoop. So later that evening, she peeks in the coop. I knew it, thinks Dora. They're out having fun. I'm getting my glad rags. The night is still young. It's late at Club Sparkles, and in the front row, the secretive stranger is watching the show. And Whitney and Brittany are taking the floor. They wow and they dazzle. The crowd claps for more. Such wonderful chooks, cheers the stranger. Whoopee! But who is this stranger? The crowd turns to see. It's Dora Von Doos, the famous performer. And Whitney and Brittany see their dear Dora. They rush to embrace her, sobbing with wonder. And then, being divas, they sing a jazz number. Hurrah! Hurrah for the divas! Now Dora still lives with her two gorgeous chooks, Fluffy and Silky, with stunning good looks. And during the day they all snooze and they rest, but once the night falls, they are Foxy and the Chickettes. And that's the end of the story. Hope you enjoyed it. That's the second time around. Thanks, guys. This book will hopefully be in the library, so you can borrow it if you like yourself. See ya.